This short story video for motivation has received 3.5 million views in 1 year. I am going to try a similar YouTube channel using AI tools. I came across the idea while looking for a similar YouTube channel for more research. I found this channel, which is about short motivational videos. After some research, I found a similar YouTube channel to generate passive income monthly. To brand the channel, I used this video, which is just a simple work. So, I opened ChatGPT and asked to write me how to succeed in life today for a YouTube video to start studying and get some ideas. I scrolled down and copied this script. I am going to start the voiceover as natural to this script to copy this script. I opened 11 Labs and clicked on Start for free because this tool is a free AI. I signed up for this website, copied the script to all scripts, pasted it into this tool, and generated a real person's voice. Then I clicked on the Check This Voice button and downloaded this voice. GPT and asked to write me a prompt for a YouTube video about who is the person shown in this video about how to succeed in life today. I copied the prompt for the video and downloaded images from the Play Store. I opened this app and pasted this prompt into this app and downloaded any images as I like. After the download was complete, I opened CapCut video editing software and clicked on the new project. I selected the previously downloaded image on this timeline, clicked on the sound button, and selected the downloaded audio script. To complete the timeline to duration audio voice, I clicked on the export option and exported this video completely. Then I clicked on the auto caption button and generated a caption for this video. I selected fonts, style, animation for this video, and properly set up text for the video. After completing this process, I clicked on the export button and exported this video. So I am going to make a professional YouTube thumbnail for this video. I opened Canva and clicked on the YouTube thumbnail. I clicked on the blank page and selected download images for this similar video. Then I went to ChatGPT and asked to write me a catchy YouTube thumbnail title for a YouTube video about how to succeed in life today. I scrolled down and found more titles to use in the thumbnail design for the YouTube video. I copied the title as I like. I then opened Canva, selected text, added the text, and pasted this title. I set up this title to select text color, fonts, and black gradient. After completing this process, I downloaded this thumbnail. Congratulations! Your video is ready to upload to your YouTube channel.